Welcome to my channel SAHOJE SUSWADU. Today I am going to show you quail egg recipe. It is full of nutrition like omega-3, omega-6 fatty acid, high source of protein. I am boiling it for 5 minutes. These eggs are very delicious and accepted all cuisines over the world. Peeling the shell. So small. Pouring 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon sesame seed, chopped onion, finely chopped garlic, chopped carrot, tomato, stirring it. After little bit boiling, pouring the egg. One pinch oregano, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, capsicum, chopped capsicum, salt to taste, small amount of turmeric, 3 tablespoons water, again stirring it and lid the wok. It is ready to serve. Thank you.